Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to reset Township game. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Township on my phone and this is how the game looks like. So the first thing that you need to do guys is quit the game. So once you quit the game on your phone, make sure that you close it and then go to your settings. Once you go to your settings on your phone, scroll down until you find apps or applications. And once you click on it, you're going to be right here. Right here, you're going to find all of the installed applications on your phone. So I'm going to scroll down until I find Township. Just search for it and you're going to find it. So it's going to be somewhere right here. As you can see, guys, I found it. Once you find it, go ahead and click on it. And then right here, you're going to find all of the settings related to Township game, like the notifications, if you want to allow the notifications. There is also the permissions, if you want to grant Township access to some permissions, like the notifications. You can see the screen time, remove permissions if app is unused, set this as default to open supported links. And right here in the bottom, you're going to find under usage, mobile data, battery, and storage. So what you need to do guys right now is click on storage. Once you're here in storage, in the bottom, you're going to find clear cache and also clear data. So basically guys, if you want to reset Township game, go ahead and click on clear data. You're going to get this message to confirm, click on delete, and now the Township game has been reset. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.